In the bustling city of productivity and self-improvement, there was a book that stood out among the rest, like a guiding light amidst the chaos. Its name was Getting Things Done by David Allen. This book had captured the hearts and minds of countless individuals seeking to conquer the overwhelming demands of their daily lives. It told the story of a simple yet powerful methodology that promised to transform scattered minds into organized, efficient machines. The protagonist of this story was a young professional named Alex, who found himself drowning in a sea of tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities. Every day, he woke up to a flood of emails, unanswered messages, and an ever-growing to-do list that seemed impossible to conquer. Overwhelmed and constantly battling the feeling of being behind, Alex was desperately in need of a solution. One fateful day, as Alex shuffled through the aisles of a local bookstore, he stumbled upon Getting Things Done. Intrigued by the promise of finding order amidst chaos, he eagerly purchased the book and began his journey toward a more productive life. David Allen, the author, started by painting a vivid picture of the modern world's challenges, a fast-paced, information-saturated society that bombards individuals with endless inputs. He emphasized the importance of capturing all of these inputs to create a clear mental space. Inspired by this idea, Alex grabbed a notepad and began to scribble down every thought, task, and idea that entered his mind. Next, Allen introduced the concept of the inbox. This was a physical or digital space where Alex could collect all the incoming information and tasks, giving him a sense of control. Alex decided to use a digital tool to create an electronic inbox, ensuring that no task or idea would slip through the cracks. With his inbox in place, Alex delved deeper into the methodology. Allen emphasized the significance of processing the collected information regularly. Alex realized that merely collecting inputs would be futile without taking the time to review and clarify their significance. He set aside dedicated time each day to evaluate each item in his inbox, deciding whether to act on it immediately, delegate it to someone else, or defer it for later. One of the key takeaways from the book was the importance of breaking down tasks into actionable steps. Alex discovered that vague, overwhelming tasks would only lead to procrastination and a sense of paralysis. Instead, he learned to define clear, concise actions that could be easily executed. By transforming his tasks into manageable chunks, he gained a renewed sense of control and progress. Additionally, the author stressed the significance of maintaining an organized system to keep track of tasks and commitments. Alex adopted the use of project lists, contexts, and calendars to categorize and prioritize his work effectively. He learned to assign specific contexts to tasks based on the resources and environments required for their completion. This allowed him to streamline his workflow and tackle related tasks in a more focused manner. As Alex continued to implement the principles of getting things done, he felt a newfound sense of calm and productivity. The book had given him a roadmap to navigate the complexities of his life, enabling him to regain control over his time and energy. With a clear mind and a well-organized system, he could confidently tackle his tasks, knowing that he was moving closer to his goals. Getting Things Done had transformed Alex's life, not by adding more hours to his day, but by equipping him with the tools and mindset needed to optimize his existing time. With his newfound efficiency, he had more time for personal growth, relaxation, and spending quality moments with loved ones. As the final pages of the book turned, Alex realized that he had embarked on a lifelong journey of productivity and self-improvement. He understood that implementing the methodology would require discipline, consistency, and adaptation. However, armed with the knowledge and inspiration from Getting Things Done, he was ready to face any challenge that came his way. And so, With a heart full of gratitude and a mind brimming with possibilities, Alex closed the book and took his first confident step towards a more organized and fulfilling life. As the final pages of the book turned, Alex realized that he had embarked on a lifelong journey of productivity and self-improvement. He understood that implementing the methodology would require discipline, consistency, and adaptation. However, armed with the knowledge and inspiration from getting things done, he was ready to face any challenge that came his way. So my friends, if you're tired of the chaos and longing for a life of efficiency and purpose, I highly recommend Getting Things Done by David Allen. It's not just a book, it's a life-changing experience. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more captivating journeys into the world of personal growth and success. Until next time, keep striving to be the best version of yourself.